Okay. Spit some words. To top it off, my love for you is prohibited by days left in original gold rush. Away pivot habit and malpractice and indirect lines to verses I've had and so love to want to do so much more, but it wasn't good enough for an up and coming not so thick to cranium thinking. You see, longevity skips pages because fear rules in pavements when it search for given hopes and only one chance to scream. When streets knock you off your feet, my size 4 feet pleaded to head north in a film press to soak up October's rush. In transit codes when Navajo noses want to rescue my scent across town and no turning back down to a Wizard Ross place where we're just simply robots. Not lions or crows or a cute dog to take home. Home is not a home to false statements or questioning his rise to put bread in their mouths. Salutes to the red, white, and blue for making him poor. A poor misdirection to head west. Closed roads or conscience, blocks from our actions, and irrelevant opinions where a stop sign doesn't exist. Shoestrings from both ends can keep us intact. Matter of fact, I want to keep you closer, like sandpaper to plaster. A renown reinvented, chapter to chapters. Let's redefine normal instead of getting away. So never say never, cause I need you like this audience needs a lie. Toasting in a poster, preeminent urban ebony, like a glove never to slip up. Matter of fact, I want you to slide through. Varieties of crime when hearts before the previous life never took a hike from distractions. We can make it work, the nerves can be just for a moment and splurged. And typical to feeling lost, I wait on turns. Though it hurts to lose time, but I'm trying. But the sky is falling, and I'm falling right along.
Yeah.